You are looking at our DIY Whipped Cocoa Body Butter Kit. Here you're looking at the Whipped Cocoa Body Butter recipe card, which comes with the kit. On the back, you will see a QR code that you can scan to watch the recipe video online. You can also watch this video on YouTube. This kit comes with unrefined cocoa butter, 4 ounces of organic jojoba oil, 2 ounces of coconut oil, and 2 empty jars with lids for your final product. This yummy recipe is sure to get anyone excited about DIY. It's a nice treat for yourself or someone else. With cocoa butter being a key ingredient in stretch mark and scar creams, it is an amazing butter that deeply moisturizes through the layers of skin and leaves it feeling soft and silky. Together with ingredients like organic jojoba oil and coconut oil, you end up with a whipped creamy body butter that smells delicious and is packed with nutrients your skin will love. Happy whipping!